Right, the new car wash.
Yeah, close our windows.
We have to do what, Cash?
We have to close our windows.
To close our windows?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we should do that.
Yeah, because we don't want to get wet.
We are at the new car wash.
We don't want to get wet.
Oh, the red balls.
No.
Red balls are trash. Now, here we go. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Fire and lava.
How's the fire and lava?
I don't know.
Oh, that's the color of lava.
That's the color of lava?
Here comes the scary part.
The scary part?
Yeah, this is really scary.
I don't think it's very scary. It smells like cherries, that's for sure. It smells like cherries, huh? Turbo tunnel now. Oh,
Why does it need lava?
look at those jet motors. You get a nice little mirror.
Great.
Oh, wow. Pretty cool. All right. So before we book loads, we got the car washed. We came out. Grandma came out and met us for some breakfast or lunchtime, and get back to the load boards. I have the same load from yesterday. That I might be going back to Florida, but if not, we'll see what else we get. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and talk about the GoPro giveaway, and let's let Trucker Wife do that. All right.
Enter to win our GoPro Hero 8 giveaway this month. All you have to do is click the link in the description of all of our videos this month and you can win. We do ask that you please subscribe. If you already are subscribed, please go to our Facebook page. It is just like the YouTube channel, Just Truckin', and like that and maybe share one of our videos if you could. We appreciate all of you guys so much for all of your support, and without you guys, we wouldn't be able to do these awesome giveaways. Thanks guys, bye.
We got one. So it's Wednesday, but brokers were all pushing it back. They were $2,000 down in Miami, so I was like $3,000, $3,300. But Coyote just had one pop up, and it's a 2-stop, and it picks up at midnight. But thanks for telling us about that GoPro, by the way. And my mom is here, so we're watching some kind of. Oh wait, here we go. Watching some weather stuff.
Oh, he's gonna turn it.
And he's gonna turn it. But anyways, yeah. Coyote popped up a quick load. It's a midnight pickup in about 80 miles from the house. So I'll deadhead there, and it's only going 170, 180 to Charlotte, and it delivers at 10 in the morning. So that's awesome. I would love to have loads like this all the time, but they don't always come up. So the floor load appliances. I've been there once before. They load quickly, and I'll just get some sleep while I'm there, and then deliver in the morning. And then see what else pops up for tomorrow. But this is what I wanted to say about this is that they, during the week, they have the opportunity to bounce the loads more and push them back. So they don't get discouraged. I get a little discouraged because I was trying to get something, but then again, I actually got something. So hang out with Truck and Wife. Maybe we'll hit the POOL again or something. And then get down.
I did my hair today.
You did your hair today? Get down to the pickup at midnight. Well, it's so hot outside. What is this?
So it's seafoam.
Seafoam. All right, guys. Well, God bless. And bye. We'll end it on that. Please subscribe if you've not already subscribed. Then just go ahead and
Check us out on
share a
Facebook.
video or something like that. Check us on Facebook. And we ordered the parts for the Escalade. So our neighbor got a huge score, and he's got me in a predicament now because I have to get like a little beater to get back and forth to my truck. And I'm thinking of like a little 4-cylinder Jeep, or he does like a bunch of Jeep builds, or IROC because he does a bunch of LS conversions. But I don't need another sports car, so I'll probably see a Jeep. Either ways, peace. We'll see you tomorrow.